Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Magic Trick. Today we are doing the Excel trick Bing Maps. So what is a Bing Maps? Why we use Bing Map in Excel? The Bing Maps add-in makes it easy to plot location and visualize your data through the Bing Map in Excel. So let's suppose we have some data and we want to publish the data according to locations. Okay, we want to show them the locations. Then we are using the Bing Maps. Okay, Bing Map is available. It is greater than 2016 Excel is available in 2016. Okay. Now, how to create the Bing Map? You need to select the first data. Then we have the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, now see here the B is available. That Bing Map is a Addins feature. Okay, that's the reason is appearing in the Addins. You need to click on the Addins. Okay. Now see here automatically one pop-up will be coming and automatically this showing the one map. Okay, you need to select data, then you need to click here insert simple data. Okay, now they're saying we cannot use this simple. Please select the data, expand a blank 83 areas. Okay, so I'm selecting. Now we can see here. Now see here your data is selected and pie chart is created. This is a pie chart. Okay, that let's suppose I'm looking for the pie chart. This one they will be show you the data. That's a it's the India location in the India. We have country is India and the location is India. In the India we have some Delhi state. Okay, in the Delhi state they are showing the data. Okay, so this is my legend. Legends is for blue for the net sales and cost is the red one. Okay, now if you are looking for the data, now you can easily see the net sale is higher, where is a higher, and the cost is low. Okay, in this one my net sale is higher and the cost is low. Okay, so I think Bing Map is very useful when you're looking for the data according to the location, and you can easily understandable and very easy to use. Okay, you need to simply select the Bing only. Okay, now you can also see here the location, show location. They will be showing location. Next to the setting key. In this setting key we have the road is that one, and next is a bird maps. Okay, birds map, the eye, that's for the bird's eye. In the bird's eye you can see that particular location, like the GPS. If you're looking for if you know the GPS, in the GPS you can see all the societies, how many blocks are there. Okay, it's a bird eye. You can see the road and the greenery and the flats. Everything will be visible here. Okay, that's called the bird eye. You can see particular home from the help of this GPS. Okay, the bird's eyes. Next we have one more. We have you can use the multiple data pointer as a pie chart. Pie chart is default, and circle. You can use also the circle point. Okay, we are looking for the pie chart because pie chart is easy to see. Okay, next is the filter. Let's suppose you are looking for the particular data. I'm looking for the Bihar data. Now see here only the Bihar data is visible. Okay, so filter is very useful. Let's suppose you're looking for the some filter here. Okay, so this is the Bing Map. Bing Map is we are using for presentation of data. Or sometimes we need some location wise data, and we are using that Bing Maps. Okay, thank you guys. Please like and subscribe my channel.